What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Brian and this Country Boy Archaeology. One more again. We got a good one today. It's gonna be so exciting. And I want to tell, oh yeah, 253 subscribers. Thank you. Kudos. Much appreciated. I want you to think this, and I want you to think this. And let's do this. And think this. And let's do this. Now, we got this one here. The first time I seen it, I was like, ah! And then when I seen it, it's like everything else. You can't damn unsee it. So, that's what we got going on. Found this one in the yard, as you can tell. Alright. I got it looking. If you look at this piece here, it's Parrot sitting up. If you look at this piece here, he's a Parrot standing straight up. If you take him, put him like this, he's a Parrot standing straight up. Right. He is in the shape of all of these stones. That's him right here. This is his head. He's standing up. His eye, his big nose. It's just one of the other things in every one of these stones. Here's his head again. I have to turn him at the right angle. The Parrot in there. He's opposite of our safety teaching stone. Here's a little Angry Bird. Now if you flip Angry Bird straight upside down, the Parrot is right here. Huh? Crazy, huh? Now, let's see him in owl, because I'm going to show you he's in all of them. Okay, Angry Bird side here. Take Angry Bird and you flip him up. There's our little Parrot profile. Am I right or am I wrong? Let me know, folks. Now, ooh, we're gonna take this one here. Now you see some of them look like a bone. You see it, you know, the little bone ones they got. This is the Parrot right here. Right. Just take a simple old axe head. Right? One of my favorite axe heads here. If you stand him small side down, this is Parrot side, right? Well, actually this way, because the sharpness here is going to be eagle eye. Right? So if you just turn him straight up, here's the big Parrot with his beak. Huh? Oh yeah, let's keep going. Here goes another one here. His tail sitting on a limb. There's his beak, right? Shaped just like these, right? Alright, let's take this piece. Boom. And put him up just like this. Profile of Parrot. Sitting up just like that. The way we've always seen Parrot. And I'm gonna take my big grasshopper. Right. Which this is bird side here. Flip it up. Here's your Parrot. Huh? So, that's just one more thing we got unlocked. I'm gonna reveal it slowly, each little piece. I'm telling you, they're mind-blowing. Oh, let's take a look at this one. Oh, this stone is so heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Wink, wink, if you know what I mean. Okay. Now look at this right here. There's your face. Your Parrot standing straight up. I don't think y'all seen this piece yet. Maybe you have. But I'll tell you, if you got these pieces, I know a lot of people don't believe in it, but I throw mine straight in acid now, just about, unless it's got paint on it. If it's just patina, I throw it in acid, and then with this one, hadn't been yet. So I'm out of acid at the moment, but then I take the crevices in them. Each line is there for a reason. I'm not drawing on this stone. All I am doing is darkening in the creases that are in the stone and just allowing what's there to show through. And man, crazy pieces, I'm telling you. But until next time, y'all let me know if you got, and I'm gonna tell you, if you've seen a parrot, you don't have pareidolia. If you've seen two raccoons fighting over some ramen noodles out in the parking lot, you might have pareidolia. Till next time, Country Boy Archaeology. Peace out.